So we're back in the machine shop. Ken's all refreshed after the weekend. He's set up the big end block in the 4-jaw chuck. And now we're going to hopefully show you how to remove a 3-jaw chuck off a Colchester Master the proper way. So first we undo the put it in back gear so it won't move. Piece of wood, most important to protect the slides. As you undo it, it extracts the chuck off the taper. And then carefully lift it off. Oh, is it heavy?
No, it's a taper.
Yeah, it's on a taper. It's also on a key. So that's the 3-jaw chuck off. It's most important that there's no swarf anywhere, because if there is, the chuck will be wibbly wobbly and you'll damage the tapers. For the observant, you might have noticed we've changed the wood because the OD of the 4-jaw is bigger. So he's just finger tightening it now, making sure the key's in the key. And then with the it's in back gear, so it's basically locked up. And that should be it. Now Ken, very craftily, being a crafty old so-and-so, has already marked the centre. So with the aid of the centre drill, he can get it running true.
So what we're doing, if you want to stop it, I was brought up this way.
Go on.
I was brought up this way, so we find a... No. There you go.
There's a...
We need a centre up the centre, so... This thing wants centre.
As well as a machine man, he's also a millwright because he's having to repair things as he goes along. So what are you doing now then?
So what we do,
Oh, you put that in there.
we put that in there, then I put a clock on here.
On your so you clock up and see if the set.
So you see how it's running out?
Hang on, wait a minute. So that's a crafty way of doing it.
So if I just...
So you put the clock on here, and he's gone for a clock. Is it showing the right time?
Yeah.
One minute while we just rectify the clock. So we fix the clock, and as you can see, as I turn it now, you can see how it's running out. So what he'll do now is adjust,
So I find the low spot.
find or the high spot,
low,
whichever
nice
way.
low.
Undo it a
So
bit.
if you watch the needle, I'll slap that back. I'll come round the other side.
Tighten it
And I'll
up.
move the object that way.
And that's
So-
reduced the amount of wibbly wobbly now.
So now we're there, aren't we?
Do that one. Down to that one.
I'm basically...
And as you see, the error is slowly decreasing. You can, of course, chase your tail, especially if somebody's talking to you when he's trying to do this. And he's got a runny nose.
Yeah. So you can see just...
So we
bit
get in
by
there
bit.
now. And the next one, he'll clock up the face to make sure the face is running true.
Yeah.
We're getting there now. I'll just stop it while he does it. So as you can see, it's now, is it 2,000, something like that?
Yeah.
So he's just clock up the face now to make sure the face is
will do,
running
yeah.
true, but it's bottomed in the jaws.
Yeah. So because I'm not bothered about this face, I'm going to do something on there. But I want to protect this one and the sharpness of the jaws bite into the finished
Yeah.
component. So we put a little packer in.
Right. Now don't forget, we only really want the bottom half. this is the top half that is basically sacrificial. So I shall leave him to it. I'll come back when he's boring out the bore.
Yeah, so that's gonna be this, isn't it?
Yeah,
Basically.
so I'm going to end up with that. Is that it now? Can I go and have a lie down?
You can do.
Thank you.
Because I'm going to have a warm up. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do.